With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Students, the question is, consider the matrices A, this, B is this, and C matrix is this. Which of the following are defined? Okay, so we are having these four options and we need to find out of these four which are defined. So if we see here, then we are given that A matrix, the order of A matrix is what? A matrix is of order 3 cross 3. It is having 3 rows and 3 columns. Okay, and we see that B matrix is given to us and its order is what? The order for B matrix is 3 cross 2. It is having 3 rows and 2 columns, 3 rows and 2 columns. Similarly, we are given C matrix. So if I see the order in the C matrix, then we are given 3 rows and 1 column. That means it is of 3 cross 1. First we write the number of rows and then cross and the number of columns. Okay. So now we are going to check one by one all the options. So if I start with the first option, that is AB transpose into C. But before that, let me tell you the condition where the matrix is defined. Okay, so if I am having a matrix A whose order is M cross N, and if I am having a matrix B whose order is, and B is a N cross P matrix, then the resultant AB matrix will be of the order M cross P. What basically happens here is that number of columns in the first matrix and the number of rows in the second matrix must be same. If this happens, then their product is possible. That means they are defined. Okay. So if I talk about AB matrix, so AB matrix, the order will be what? See, A matrix is of order what? A matrix is of order 3 cross 3 into, and here we are having B matrix whose order is 3 cross 2. That means the number of columns in A matrix and the number of rows in B matrix are same. So this and this will get cancelled. That means the resultant AB matrix. AB matrix will be of order 3 cross 2. But here we need AB transpose, and we know in transpose row is changed into column, right? And column is changed into row, vice versa. So what happens here is AB matrix transpose. Whole transpose will be what? This is 3 cross 2, so its transpose will be 2 cross 3. Okay, now we need to find what? In the first situation, we need to find AB matrix transpose and then into C matrix. Okay, so we see that the order of AB transpose, the order for AB matrix transpose is 2 cross 3 into C matrix is what? C matrix is 3 cross 1. So here we write 3 cross 1. So we can see this 3 and 3 will get cancelled. So this implies that AB whole transpose, AB matrix transpose into C matrix, their whole order is what? Its whole order is coming as 2 cross 1. That means this is defined. Okay, so this is defined. Now let us check for option number B. In the second option, that is C transpose into C into AB whole transpose. Now see, we are given the order for AB transpose. The order for this is what? 2 cross 3. This is of 2 cross 3. Okay. And if I multiply C in this, so C into AB transpose. See, this will be what? We are having a C matrix and its order is 3 cross 1 into AB transpose. This matrix we are having whose order is 2 cross 3. Now see, the number of columns in C matrix is not equal to the number of rows in AB transpose matrix. Okay, that means the product is not possible. So we will write here not defined. Okay, so this is the condition when the matrix is not defined. And obviously if this part is not defined, then if we multiply it with C transpose, that means therefore C transpose into C into AB transpose, this will also be not defined. Okay, this is not defined. Now we will check for option number C. Option number C is C transpose into AB. Okay, now C matrix order is what? It is 3 cross 1. If the order for C is 3 cross 1, then the order for C transpose will be what? It will become 1 cross 3. And the order for AB matrix we have already found out, that is of 3 cross 2. Now if I put here, that means C transpose, this matrix order is 1 cross 3 and the matrix order of A cross AB is equal to 3 cross 2. So here we can see that number of columns in this are equal to number of rows in this. So this and this will get cancelled. That means when we multiply this, so this is coming as C transpose AB matrix. This will be coming as a 1 cross 2 matrix. This is defined. Now if we look at the fourth option, that is option number D, that is A transpose into A into B transpose into C. So for that, first let us write the order of each of these. We are given A. A matrix order is 3 cross 3. That means the transpose of A matrix, its order will be also same, that is 3 cross 3. And if we find A transpose into A, okay, if I find A transpose into A, then that will be equal to, this is A transpose matrix whose order is 3 cross 3 and this is A matrix whose order is 3 cross 3. So this and this are same, they will get cancelled. So therefore this implies that A transpose into A, the matrix order will be also 3 cross 3. Now we are having a B matrix and its order is what? Its order is 3 cross 2. Now if I multiply this B in this matrix, that is if I do A transpose into A matrix, that is of 3 cross 3. If I multiply this with B matrix whose order is 3 cross 2, so the resultant matrix will be, see here, this and this will get cancelled because it is same. So A transpose into A into B, this matrix will be of order 3 cross 2. Now this is B matrix, that means that B transpose matrix order will be 2 cross 3. Okay, now if multiply this B transpose in this, that means we are having a matrix A transpose AB. This matrix we are having whose order is 3 cross 2 and I am multiplying this B transpose matrix whose order is 2 cross 3. So we can see the number of columns in this and the number of rows in this are same. That means the resultant matrix will be A transpose into A into B transpose whose order will be of 3 cross 3. Now if in this I am multiplying C matrix according to the condition of the question. Okay, so C matrix whose order is 3 cross 1. Now I am multiplying it here. That means we are having this matrix A transpose into B transpose, right, whose order is 3 cross 3 and I'm multiplying this with C matrix whose 3 cross 1. So as we can see, this and this will get cancelled. So the resultant matrix, that is A transpose into A into B transpose into C, the matrix is coming as a 3 cross 1 matrix. Okay, that is also defined. So basically all the options leaving the second option were defined. So the question was which of the following are defined. So we will say that A is defined, C is defined and D is defined and B is not defined. This is the required answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.